How to fix Reminder app not showing in notifications. Let's start with checking the Do Not Disturb mode. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now, look for the Focus option and check whether it is in on or not. If it is activated, then turn it off. Next, check whether you are getting the notifications from the app or not. If not, then try Notification Settings. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, look for the Show Previews option and click on it. A few options will appear. Tap on Always. Next, go back to the previous page. Again, scroll down and look for the Reminder app. Click on it. Now at the top, make sure the toggle is turned on for the Allow Notifications option. If this method does not work, then try Turn off Mute Notifications. For this, go to the Settings app. Now scroll to the bottom and click on Apps. The list of apps will appear. Again, scroll down and tap on Reminders. Here you will see different options. Scroll and look for the Assigned Reminders section. After that, turn off toggle next to the Mute Notifications option. If this step does not resolve the issue, then try Check Date and Time. Open the Reminders app on your device. Next, under the iCloud section, click on Reminders. Now scroll and look for the name of the reminder that you are waiting for. After that, check the date and time that is scheduled. Make sure you have entered the correct date and time. If this method fails to work, then try Offload the App. For this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, click on General. Now, click on the iPhone Storage option. Then scroll to find the Reminders app and tap on it. Here, you will see the app details, then click on Offload App. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Offload App to confirm. This will uninstall the app from the device and free up the storage used by the app. If this method does not work for you, then try Force Restart. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now release the button and the device will restart shortly. If this method does not resolve the issue, then try Reset All Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to find the Transfer and Reset iPhone option and click on it. Next at the bottom, tap on the Reset option. A few options will pop up and click on Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset All Settings to confirm. After restarting, now check whether you are getting notifications or not. This might fix the issue. And that's it.